I want to help you by explaining some of the things that I found out in the last 20 years as a full-time Forex trader. Let's talk about that and more right now. Hey there traders, Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 500. So big celebration today, something we're really proud of. And I'd like I've just come outside, as you can see here, nice sort of autumn day here in Nelson, and wanted to explain what I've learned so I can pass that information on to you and help you to become a better trader by shortcutting the learning process for you. So first of all, let's just be real about this. Good trading is hard. It takes time, it takes dedication, it takes commitment. If you're the sort of person that is lazy, or you think that it's just going to suddenly, roll off and make you a multi-millionaire by next month, it's not for you, or certainly we're not for you. You're probably wasting your time, in all honesty. You have to be real about this. And so I think that's one of the things that I find, especially with coaching, from time to time, and it's probably on a daily basis, people will come to me and say, Andrew, how much can I make from this? Or I don't like my job, I want to replace it with trading. Now, there's a few things there. If you want to put some effort, time commitment, financial commitment, your own time commitment, a bit of hard work, yes, it can work, and yes, you can replace your income with it. Lots of ways you can do that, like prop firms, etc., like that. But you still have to start small. You have to learn to walk before you can run. All those kind of phrases are so true in trading. And over the last 20 years, I think that's probably one of the biggest things that I find, because online, obviously, there's a lot of makes it look easy things, a lot of, YouTube videos everywhere. Everybody's got an opinion or a method that, it's going to make you a multi-millionaire next week. They're all driving around in these red flash Ferraris and things like that, laptops and pretty women sitting next to them. Look, they're all hired. There's not real, it's staged. When I fly around in my helicopter and show you, that's me flying in my own helicopter. I've done that through hard work, trading, and hard work to learn how to do that, and hard work to be able to afford how to do that. So it's real. It's taken 20 years. It's not something I started and within a month I was suddenly owning a helicopter. So get it real and realize that I have grey hair and it takes time, and that's what you have to accept. But you are in a fortunate position, because you see, when I started, we were on dial-up internet. Things were very different. Not a lot of information out there. I had a 1 gigabyte plan when I started trading on dial-up. First of all, I had to get the internet to work and actually stay stable. And then 1 gigabyte plan, which my mates were absolutely amazed at, that I had a 1 gigabyte per month internet plan. It was huge. And then I remember we went to 10 gig, and everybody was just blown away that I would have such a massive amount of internet per month. And of course, things have changed, as everything does. Technology changes, everything gets better and improves, hopefully. So you've got no excuse today in terms of like cheap laptops, cheap internet, reliable, go anywhere in the world pretty much, and you've got internet. So you have that in your favor today, which of course we did not have. The downside is, of course, there's more scams and more things out there. I suppose we still had them back then, but less of them. So, there's pros and cons of everything. But the good thing is, what I'm proud of what we've done is we have that commitment, that achievement, that consistency, that showing up. Just last night, I held a live webinar for my clients. I've done that every 2 weeks for my clients since 2010. The alternate week's a US session, which Paul Tillman holds for me. We are consistent. We show up. We do that every day. I've just literally, before I've started this video, made and posted my daily chart trade suggestions for today, which is Friday, the 28th of April. I put 6 trades on our membership site for our clients to follow, learn from, and hopefully, if they go well, earn from as well today. On the webinar last night, I took 3 trades live. So we've done that every day. We have never missed a day of daily trade since 2010, not one. And so that again shows our commitment, our effort. Just email me, try us out, email us. We will reply to you personally. If you book a Zoom call with me, or with Paul, we will show up. That's our commitment to our professionalism and our dedication to what we do as traders and what we are like as people. Just look at these videos and podcasts. This is number 500. every Friday I post them. How many people do you find that, have a hiss and a roar, post 5 or 10 videos, and then you never see them again? We are there showing up day in, day out, because we're doing this ourselves as real traders, because that's what we do, that's what we love and enjoy. So do that and have consistency, put some effort in, it will work for you. On a trading point of view, just want to really sort of cover, I suppose, it comes back to the basics. It comes back to the way that we trade, why it works, because it works across all market conditions. Doesn't matter what the political, economic, all these different events that happened over the last sort of 20 years since I've been trading. The strategy that I've been teaching for 14 years now works consistently, because it's based on price action, candle patterns, what part of the chart it shows in, have we got support and resistance, round numbers, divergence, all these things, strength and weakness that we look for. Really important that you do that and have that consistency. We also, of course, look for low risk per trade, and we also ensure that our trades have high reward to risk per trade. So you put these basics together and you can see why what we do works. The daily trades, the webinars, the forum site, the emails, the support site, the trading software, all of this put together with the strategy and the videos and our help and support is why it works for people. So that really is our point of difference, I suppose. It works because it just does, because we've proven over all these years, 14 years next month, the Forex Trading Coach. Something, again, we're really immensely proud of with clients in 101 countries. So if you want to go further, a couple of things you can do. If you've not been on my new on-demand webinar, you can click on that and just watch it whenever it suits you. At the end of that webinar, there is an option for you to book a call, live Zoom call with myself or with Paul Tillman, who's over in the US, using our calendar system. And you can do that at the end of the webinar. Make sure it's right for you though first. And also, if you're out there looking for a broker, I can highly recommend you consider and look at Blueberry Markets. They're based across over the ditch, over there to the west of me, over in Australia. And good bunch of people, great platform, MT4, MT5, lots of different markets as well now, and also lots of more minor exotic Forex pairs as well. Good spreads, just good people. Have a look at Blueberry Markets. Again, I'll put a link to them here as well for you. So that's it for today. Really proud of our efforts and commitments. Like I said, this is video and podcast number 500. Just love doing what we're doing. Any questions, please ask, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.